Find dy by dx in the functions cos x to the power y is equals to cos y to the power x. Let fx equals to cos x to the power y is equals to cos y to the power x. Take natural logarithm on both the sides. We get y log cos x is equals to x log cos y. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx of log cos x minus y tan x. This is the product rule for LHS is equals to log cos y minus x tan y dy by dx, evaluated from the product rule for RHS. Hence, collecting the similar terms, dy by dx on one side, we get dy by dx into this. Hence, dy by dx equals to log cos y plus y tan x upon log cos x plus x tan y, which is the final answer. Thank you.